analysis video. I'm going to analyze Zomato, ICICI Pru, Nestle, Mahasim, Max, CDSL, Escort Tech Mahindra, Britannia, and Hindustan Unilever for you guys right now. So in these trades, okay, let me tell you that Zomato was already been given today on my Telegram channel at the right time, guys. So what I saw, see, I saw and I traded it as well, okay, on my main account. Now you will see that there is a very good channel pattern right here. Yeah, there is a good channel pattern, and this stock never gives a closing above this channel pattern, this falling channel pattern right here, and never gives a closing above this line, this resistance line right here, that is 144.5. It never gives a closing on the daily time frame. But this is, see, this candle right here was the first time this stock gave a closing above this particular line that I have made. Okay, now the stock was also trading on a larger, on a wider spread. It was also trading on a big spreading pattern. Okay, it's spreaded, it's a divergence pattern. Okay, it's diverged outside. So right here you will see that it has given a closing with a huge wick. Okay, see right here, this is a consolidatory candle on the daily time frame. Okay, then this is a very good gap up, tests lower levels and comes up, closes good. The next level what I saw was, see right here, and I gave this particular trade, told you all to analyze it and take trades as per. So I got two things from this particular trade, that it was getting rejection from this resistive trend line on the smaller time frame, and it gets a breakaway gap, the gap that will sustain, if sustained, gives a very good momentum above the resistance level, that is known as a breakaway gap. Yeah, so it gives a breakaway gap, and then you will, let me close the volume for you guys. Okay, now you will see that this is a huge mother candle, this is a huge mother candle, and there are a lot of insider bars inside it. Now, seeing that the stock was already giving good bullish momentum on the daily time frame, I went to the 15-minute time frame and took this trade on my main account. Also, right at this time, I gave this trade on my Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. Yeah, so go and follow me right now on the Telegram channel. Right here, this is a beautiful trade of 1.8% risk on an intraday basis, and the stock closed on all time highs on 7.3%. Yeah, if you would have closed your trade at 315 on the intraday basis, also taking leverage and everything, you would have gotten amazing amount of return. Now the stock has moved 9% on the intraday from the bottom till the top, so I would not recommend to go long on this stock. Okay, it might give a good momentum also tomorrow, okay, of 6-7%, but it's not a good risk reward trade, not a good hit rate trade. But now you know how the setup works. Yeah, that's why I gave this idea to you. Now this was the second trade that I gave on the Telegram, and this trade can be taken for the swing basis. Why? See right here, there was a good movement for this particular stock, ICICI Prudential. Then there was this correction move. Every stock makes its corrective move, and whenever there is this third impulse, fifth impulse, seventh impulse, the odd impulse move starts. Whenever this impulse move starts, this journey starts. Okay, there is a good chance to to claim your position, to make your position with a genuine stop loss, and in order to take out a new high, or in order to be in that journey. Okay, so what I thought was, see, it creates a gap down and breaks down. Okay, then two insider bars, and then see how this particular level was being broken, and then it comes up and then consolidates here. And what it makes, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you will see that the stock makes a double bottom right here, gives a breakout of the double bottom, and stays right at this neckline of the double bottom. So this is a good trade entry, but you have to be very anticipatory. Okay, right at these areas. Why? Because this could be your stop loss area, and you should be knowing that the stock might come to this area, then consolidate, and then give a momentum. Now if this momentum the stock is giving, you are already in a good profit, and you knew that the breakout might happen. Now this breakout will give you further momentum. That's what we call anticipation trade, and that's what I teach in my course material that I provide to a lot of people. Okay, so right here you will see that there is a good consolidation before the breakout on the daily time frame. And if you make the levels perfectly, if you make this trend line perfectly, let me make it for you guys, let me make it perfectly for you guys. This is the perfect trend line. Yeah, this is the perfect trend line. Okay, you will see this is a perfect trend line. Even if you will join the most number of touched trend line, this would be the this would be it. And thus you can get a supply zone out of it, because you're getting two nodes from the higher levels, thus you can create a good supply zone. Now if taken a trade right at this area, or just now also, or tomorrow when it is opening on the Monday, whenever it is opening, you can create a 4% stop loss. Okay, and you can go and create a trade of 5% or 8%. This could be your anticipatory trade right at those areas. So seems pretty good as per the price action to me. Moving ahead, I'm going to give a very beautiful trade right away and already taken on the 1 lakh account. Okay, Nestle. So Nestle makes a high right here. Okay, then it creates a very good breakout of this area on this candle. I took the trade right away at this candle and booked my profits on this candle. And I told you guys on that day also and analyzed just a previous day when the FMCG and everything was moving up. You can check, everything is transparent that I give you guys, and you can check also in my LNAs everything is available, okay, on the TradingView platform. Right here you will see that there's a good resistance, and when it came to this area, before that there was a good consolidation, and then there was a superb move. The stock came to this area and get accumulated back again, making this supply zone as a support zone. Now it's a demand zone. Okay, people are demanding good price action at this area so that they can go long. Now what are you seeing at this area? We are seeing that finally the stock is coming out of all the clutches with a very good candle, with a hashtag hammer candle. What is hashtag hammer candle? If you ask, follow me on my Telegram account. There I will tell you it briefly what is hashtag hammer candle. We'll try to we'll try to get you the knowledge of hashtag hammer. Now on the 5 minute time frame, you will see the stock was giving a very good momentum. There was a huge delivery in the stock right here. They see on every step there were people who were making their positions in order to hold the stock. Okay, might be some intraday players also, but this type of momentum when there is a good delivery. Okay, smooth and slowly there were people who were making their positions. Then suddenly, what is this? This is much needed fall. Why this is much needed fall? And you should not be taking the trades if you are going for a, if you're looking for a daily breakout, you should not be taking trades at least in the hour of 2:30 to 3:15. Why? Because a huge momentum can come in that time, and thus your daily time frame breakout might not happen. So I waited. It created a good mother bar now here, and there were three inside bars. So whenever it is, as soon as the price, see, this is a bar. Let me give you the ideology behind it, as RSI and everything was above it. So the moment it gets resistance at the 50% of the whole bar, I knew that it might break. Okay, and this might be a fake out. But what happened instead? The stock breaks this 50% hurdle of the fall that it created and started moving up. Okay, so that's when I created my position for the 1 lakh account, and I knew that on the daily time frame the candle size would look good. Okay, so what's my stop loss? If you ask, today's low is my stop loss, only 1.6%. Okay, I've invested 60k or 55k, I guess, in this particular trade, and my target is around 5.46%. That is the wick you will see right here. Okay, this wick and this area, this is my supply zone. So let's see how this particular trade goes. Maharashtra seamless, only thing that is giving me goosebumps right in this particular trade is that this area, okay, this area and this area, the stock used to get resistance on the weekly time frame from this area, but I've taken a trade already. Okay, why? Because the consolidation seems so good. Okay, I was already in this trade from this particular candle right here. Okay, this was my stop loss, but the quantity that I added was super less at this area. Okay, on my main account. Now right here it gives a consolidation and a breakout that is giving me much more qualification, much more conviction. So I added on my main account as well, and for the 1 lakh account challenge as well on the Telegram that's happening. Okay, I added that quantity as well. So I took the trade. This is my second trade. Right here you will see, wait a minute, right here you will see that on the daily time frame the stock has finally able to see. If you make a trend line from here, you will see that slowly and steadily, when you are seeing that if you make a trend line, and from the bottom if you see the closing, it never closes below this line. See, if it never closes below this line, it never closes above this line. So it's a consolidatory zone. So what I think is you can keep a stop loss below this area, that is 506 levels, and you can anticipate a huge move in this stock. Okay, Maharashtra Cement. Let's see how much we can acquire in this stock. Moving ahead, Max Healthcare. Yeah, so Max Healthcare is a very good stock. Keep an eye on it, on this stock. See, the fall is not that bad. Okay, there are some stocks like IRCTCS, a vertical fall, then a jerk movement, and then a vertical fall. Do not trade those stocks. Yeah, but here you are seeing a good correction move. This is what we call a correction. At the top level, definitely you will see volatility. Why? Because buyers and sellers both are working upon the price action at that area, and thus volatility creates. exist at that area. Now it's falling, and see, the fall is not that high, and suddenly the stock comes to some level. We do not know about that level until unless it start accumulating there. Now this is a very curious case that it starts accumulating out of all of a sudden. So what we do, we make a low and a high type Fibonacci, but from where? This stock has to, like this, from for weeks and weeks the stock was giving good momentum. So yeah, no problem, you can make a Fibonacci from this level till the top. So you will see that the stock has retraced only 0.2% from its initial opening prices till the top of the wick that you have made. Okay, so it's a very very bullish stock. Okay, that it is already accumulating, but when it will give our good conviction, whenever it is giving a candle of a size that you can trade, the risk that you can take. Okay, that is that candle. And the bullishness of the candle, it should be a Marubozu candle, or it should be a gap up opening. If there is some gap up opening, then it should fall down, test the price action, and closing above. Okay, that's the type of candle we are looking for. Okay, so that's a very beautiful trade we can go on the daily time frame on Max Healthcare. Very good consolidation, not a box consolidation, but a symmetrical pattern consolidation. Wait for 320 closing. Okay, 325 closing, wait for that time, and then take your delivery trade, CNC orders and everything. Yeah, now CDSL, although I'm not in favor of this trade, but the stock is giving still good bullish momentum to me. That's why I'm still thinking about the trade, not taken yet. Okay, you can see that it has already created a mother bar, and this is the insider bar today. Okay, so it's an insider bar already today with the mother bar behind. So what you will see that the might stock has given a breakaway gap and given a breakout. So it's a breakaway breakout. Okay, it's a breakaway gap and a good breakout done. Right here you will see that the stock is consolidating in this particular zone for a good period of time. Wick is also there. Now this wick's been filled by today's candle. What is the meaning of that? That the sellers who told, the sellers who stayed right at that area and were saying that no, the stock might not go in this region and it might fall for downwards. Okay, they are being exhausted, and not only exhausted, the market closed there, which is a very big sign. That means till the end of the market, till the last of the fight, the bulls were there and they have closed it good. Okay, so what can happen? This trade can give you this particular spread, or even more, with a small stop loss. Now that we are double bullish on this particular stock, as already given a breakout, but now finally we have something in our hand. So we can keep a stop loss of 3%, and we can aim for 4%, 6%, or even 9%. Okay, so 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3. Okay, whenever you are going towards 1 is to 2, keep a trailing stop loss at 1 is to 1 again. 1 is to 3 you are achieving, keep a trailing stop loss at 1 is to 2. Okay, that's the trade that you can follow up. Okay, now many of you might be trading this particular counter, but I would like to tell you that there is still some rejection. There is still this hidden pattern. Okay, I specialize in hidden patterns, guys. Until unless all my hidden patterns are been broken, I do not take the trade. Okay, there is some reason why the stock closed right at that area and not above this area. There is some reason, because the reason might be market might fall tomorrow, might correct tomorrow, and the stock might correct even more and breaks down. Okay, this might be a fake out. So in order to get out of those fake outs, I create a perception of my own, that is hidden patterns, that help me a lot. Okay, now this line, see, this is not a good line. Let me make it by this only. So this breakout's been done, but that breakout is not a body, complete body breakout. Yeah, it's just a breakout, it's just a small breakout, pop out. But see, right at this area, this candle is not giving it a good correction, a good breakout. But yeah, the stock is trading at a level that we can say is above the supply demand conversion zone. Okay, supply falls when once broken, creates volatility above it, but it is trading above it. See, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, it is giving rejection from the bottom also recently. Okay, this rejection, you can say that this could be a profit booking, but this rejection right here, you can say that this is a good demand. Why? Because the stock is coming to this area again, coming up. Okay, now whenever it is making again a volatile candle, a big wick here, you can say the fact that there are 2 wicks above, there are 2 huge wicks downward. This is a volatile counter. Do not trade until and unless this wicks being taken on the daily time frame. Yeah, moving ahead with Tech Mahindra, same goes for this also. Do not take the trade until and unless this particular line, this particular closing basis line is been broken with power, guys. Okay, because what I think is that it might get rejection It's not a very high probability trade. That's all. Moving ahead, Britannia. So Britannia is at a very good level. Okay, for my priority group members, I have created why this is a trap type trading. It's at a weekly good confluence zone also, and the weekly monthly. I have made a 1 hour video on how to actually invest in Britannia and what are the 3 to 4 right spots to invest back again, and back again, and back again in this particular uh, stock, if it gives you the signal, the proper signal of the price action at the right area. Only then. It's not like you're going to go in with all the money, and I will definitely try that strategy and will try to update you guys. Okay, moving ahead, Hindustan Unilever. So Hindustan Unilever, if you see weekly time frame, let's open weekly time frame. The stock comes to this area and gets a good support, amazing support area for Hindustan Unilever. And right at this area, you will see the stock is making a candlestick pattern. That is a very beautiful candlestick pattern, engulfed, pierced, whatever you want to call it. Just the bullishness. See, the bullishness of the candlestick is pretty good. So the candlestick is bullish, yeah. And right here, you will see that there is a fall, creates a bottom, moves up, creates a fall, bottom. Very good trade, very good trade, very good entry. Right at these areas, this could be your stop loss, touch based, or whatever type of stop loss you want to keep. Okay, it's completely on you, your risk. But right at this area, this might give you a volatile session breakout, then this, okay, might get volatile, and it might take some time. But believe me, if you want to make money, the right money, and do not want to lose a single penny in the market, time is one thing. You have to give this particular thing to the market. Okay, and I guess that's it. Yeah, so that's it for this particular video, guys. I hope you loved it. Give it a big thumbs up and follow me on the Telegram. The link of the Telegram is in the description of this video. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Signing out. Any doubts, any issues, I will be on the Telegram. You can ask me any time. Thank you so much.